Nice little back alleys here with all kinds of places to eat. These nice little bistros, sidewalk cafes. Love them all. Hello world, it is your Unkle Heavy. Today I'm on location in downtown Asheville, North Carolina. We've been going full tilt this whole vacation, just taking a nice relaxing walk around this town. Check out the architecture, check out the buildings, and maybe stop and see a few things. No idea what we're doing, just taking a day off, and I figured, what the heck, make a vlog out of it. So, at the moment, no tickets required. Let's go see what kind of trouble we can get into. Do come along. Oh, looky here. Back in North Carolina. Cool things up ahead. So I'm not sure if this is going to make it into any of my vlogs, but I'm here. And I wanted to get a shot. This is downtown Asheville, North Carolina. And we're just taking a walk around town. See what's happening here. Looking over here, this is the Thomas Wolfe Auditorium. Wanted to get a shot of these statues up front. Very nice. Here's the Basilica St. Lawrence. It's a very pretty church. Interesting town. Lots of really old buildings like this one here. Got all that brick. Perched on top of this building is this unusual tower. I have no idea if it's function, but I don't know. Looks like maybe an old microwave tower. Getting a little closer, I can see it's an AT&T building, so yeah. I'm guessing that's an old microwave tower. Huh. Nifty little sculpture here in front of the watchmaker shop. It's kind of cool, there's a watchmaker shop here. So this is a very cool looking building here. It's the former Asheville Citizen and Times building, but I'm not entirely sure if I don't think that's Art Deco, but it's a very cool style. It looks like they press records here now. Another really cool building. This is the Federal Courthouse building here. Looking very, very official. Very courthouse-like. So many cool and different buildings here. Look at that one poking up over the parking structure. Very unique. This interesting building is known as the Grove Arcade. Not entirely sure if it's function, but it looks pretty cool. Let's stop and take a look. Yeah, let's just see what's going on in here. This is the Grove Arcade on the inside. I do love the building inside. Wow. Just take a look at that. That's beautiful. Just look at that clock right there. I'm gonna zoom in for this. Look at that guy up there. Here's the entrance we were by before, where the Citizen Times were just outside. But yeah, I love it. I love this architecture in here. It's nice that they're preserving it. I mean, look at this old directory board made of brass. Absolutely beautiful. I'll leave this here to read just a little bit later. Yeah, this is officially my new favorite place in North Carolina. As of right this second, at least. Now this is something, a little blast from the past. This is an old letter box, and you could see there's a chute that goes up, and there would be one of these on every floor that would drop down to mail your letters. This one's been decommissioned, but it's an original U.S. Postal Service letterbox. I love how on this side there's these little bridges that connect both sides and some spiral staircases that go down. We just tried to go up there, but those are business offices, and so you kind of need to have somebody let you up there. But look at the light fixtures. Yeah, I'm gonna completely dork out on this building. This is just very cool. You could see this is where the spiral staircases come down to these gated doorways. This here is the Flatiron Hotel. Again, love all this old architecture. And this brings me to something that Atlas Obscura recommended I check out. And here, we've got the Asheville Giant Iron. Recommended by Atlas Obscura. We made it. So it's kind of obscured by the trees here, But you can see this is an old Woolworths building located here. No longer in business, of course, but they kept the sign there. Nice little park here. It's bicycle rentals to tour the town. But it's all surrounded by these awesome buildings. Just a little bit of green space here in the middle of the city. You know me, I'm always a fan of city art here. I do love these sculptures. Right there. There's a nice shot with the background of that building. This is Tupelo Honey. I think we're gonna stop here and maybe get some dinner while we're here. The restaurant we're having dinner at tonight. Right off the main strip here. Really, really nice vibe to it. Kind of a deadhead thing going on here. Kind of nice. We're gonna try some of their homemade fried chicken. So for me, it's the fried chicken sandwich and a chicken tortilla soup. And Michelle just got the regular fried chicken. Oh man. And if you're looking for a giant cup of boba tea, you can find it right here. So I just want to get a shot of some of the property listings here. And this is what you can get in Asheville, North Carolina. Simply $1.2 million. 1.2. Wow. I always have to stop and get a shot of the murals because I love the city murals. I really do. Nice place. Checking out some pretty cool sculptures here. There's a couple of cool sculptures in this city. I like them. I missed this before, some old advertising art there. Not sure if it's a replica or it's original. It looks pretty original to me, but I love the telephone number, 2-241. This is the Asheville Pinball Museum. It's a collection of old pinball games that they've restored to working condition, along with some old video games. And for like, I think $13, you can pretty much do free play as long as you want. We have to go check this out. So this is pretty cool. For 13 bucks, you can play as much as you want. All these pinball games and video games are on free play. I always love the art on these pinball games. Beautiful. This one you can't play, it's just for display purposes, but this is one of the original pinball games that has no bumpers. It's beautiful. 1934. Of course, my favorite, the Kiss pinball machine. You know what? A couple of years ago, I had the opportunity to buy one of these at a flea market, and I'm not exaggerating, for 250 bucks, all working condition. And I didn't jump on that. I should have jumped on that. Disco Fever. Look at, and this has got the old analog scorekeepers. I love it. Love it. This is really cool. If I get in there, you can see the inner workings of the analog scorekeepers. Everything worked with relays. Everything worked with relays. Oh look, we got Dig Dog and Asteroids. Oh, my favorite, Donkey Kong. No, my ultimate favorite, Tempest. I would really love to have one of these machines in my basement. This one, and there's one called Star Wars. Centipede, Millipede, Cubert. And of course, Space Invaders, classic. One of the originals. I love all the decor up here too. Little X-Wing fighter. Look at this, Chico's Bail Bonds. Now, I very rarely do this in my videos, but comment down below if you know what movie this is from. It's a classic. Look at this, Michelle found it. It's even the sit-down version. I love this game. Love it. And I love the decor here too. Yes. Wait, this is actually Space Ace. Who remembers Space Ace?
Is in your hands.
Star Wars pod back into our
All the stuff behind the bar. Old Simon. Old G.I. Joe figures.
back as long as you
All the cool little phones.
That's what's like.
Very cool. This is very cool. Pinball Wizard. Just outside here, got a little display of gnomes. All kinds of seasonal gnomes.
Oh, we're good. It's after 7.
So overall, Asheville is a beautiful little town. We were gonna come out here and take a walk around. I didn't even have any intention of honestly vlogging here today, and I guess I always end up vlogging everything, but it's a nice little town. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it a lot. I'm glad Michelle dragged me out. We had a good time. Get this one last shot of the town before the sun goes down. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with Asheville. It's a neat kind of town. My kind of town. That's going to do it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I really enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to stay tuned. I have so many more adventures yet to come. Till next time, signing off from Asheville, North Carolina. Bye-bye.